Make a great choice today with the 2017 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.